Hi, I'm CJ, and I'm an intern here at Inventive Media. Yes, that's true. Adding an extra 250 hours on my time is really a lot. And some people really question my decision. Why put in the extra work? Is that gonna be acknowledged by our school? Well, I think I'm not doing it for the school anyways. I think I'm doing this for myself. I want to take my chances for the future that's ahead of me. The experience and knowledge I gained within half a year here will never be taught at school. I don't think it will ever be taught at school. That is why I am thankful for myself for making the decision and for Inventive for accepting me. It's been an amazing experience. A lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifices. But hey, nothing is easy anyways. The trainings, a lot of trainings actually. And I'm thankful for that. So, before I go, I just want to say thank you, Inventive Media.